Hello everyone, I am Harsh Pratap Singh contesting for the post of General Secretary for Board for Sports Activities for the session 2021-22. I am here to discuss the vision that I have for BSA and what I intend to do if I get elected as the General Secretary. So firstly a little about myself. I am the current institute vice captain and I was part of the cricket team from the very first year. We have won 2 inter-IT gold medals in which I was leading wicket taker in both the tournaments. I was part of the BSA working team from my second year when I was appointed as the operations junior executive. I worked closely with the seniors and interacted with the administration. Later, I was awarded the best junior executive for that year. Next year, I was appointed as BSA operations coordinator, in which my job was to keep people engaged in BSA even in the online semester. So I conducted events like Fantasy League, IPL auction, Esports Week, Valorant tournament, etc., to which attracted many people. Later that year, I was awarded the best coordinator. I was also the informal events coordinator for Sporttech. I, along with my teammates, conducted events like Kite Fest, Kabaddi, Ultimate Frisbee, Treasure Hunt, and the biggest success was IT Delhi's first ever women's cricket tournament, which gained a lot of popularity and witnessed overwhelming participation and also viewership on the Crick Heroes app. The main initiatives that I plan on taking are based on the idea of engaging more and more people to BSA in the online mode as well. I am planning to organize at-home sports events using fitness monitoring apps, which later can be continued as an opportunity to earn NSORs. I plan on organizing webinars by professional coaches and nutritionists to keep the contingent self-motivated about their fitness. Fantasy League was quite a hit, so I plan on organizing Fantasy League for the events like ICC T20 World Cup, IPL, and UEFA Champions League as well. Appointing PG representatives in each hostel can be a fruitful step to promote culture and keep tabs on PG students who outshine in any sport. I plan on promoting the culture of esports by organizing tournaments once a while and continuing the esports week. I also plan on continuing the semester magazines named Contender, which involved content from sports, interviews, tournament stories, alumni, etc. I plan on keeping the sports techies involved by conducting hostel-wise yoga sessions and virtual marathons. It is a little hard to be connected with your contingent mates in the online semester. Hence, I plan on creating a Discord server which will provide a platform for live streaming and discussions of major sporting events throughout the year. I also plan on continuing the practice of Know Your Contingent event with an aim to pass on the culture and getting to know your seniors. This will be fruitful to the freshers and the incoming batch. Last but not the least, telecasting the Treasure event shall be continued, where coaches and players have a friendly talk with a Q&A session. I plan on keeping the interested alumni involved with the contingent, aiming to pass on experience and culture to junior as it is the most important step. BSA Diary shall be launched containing posts, interviews, stories and fun days by alumni. I plan on the idea of legalizing the alumni fund by collaborating with AAIP, making the fund more reasonable and accessible to the cause. I also plan on conducting formal and informal events, inviting the alumni in Delhi NCR region if we switch to offline mode later in the session. The current BSA website keeps on lagging and shutting down once there is a moderate traffic. Hence, I plan on renewing the host platform for its website. I plan on introducing the BSA calendar on the website, which will have information regarding events that shall be conducted throughout the year. A separate tab for reimbursement and approval status for all monetary issues can be a fruitful step not only in keeping tabs but also speeding the process. Ground and code booking system shall be updated on the website so that there is no confusion between the students and staff teams. I plan on adding the history of inter-hostel tab on the BSA website to spread the word and promote hostel culture. I also plan on installing the complaint and feedback system on our website, which will be taken care immediately. A separate executive will be appointed for the same. Later in the session, I plan on launching the inter-hostel application, aiming to update live scores, fixtures, points tables, and players to look out for. Having closely worked with the board team both in the offline and online semester, I believe I am the person who knows how to do things and how to get things done. I have a huge vision for BSA which I can't fully convey in such a short span, but overall, I plan to transform BSA into a more convenient and smooth functioning board in which each and every member feels part of a larger family. I want to make every contingent member proud of being part of BSA IITD regardless of the results. Thank you everyone for listening, and I hope I'll get the opportunity to serve you guys.